traders. On the move this morning, we got OMER up almost 8%, over 130,000 traded pre-market. That's in play. ARWR down almost 9%, over 800,000 traded pre-market. That's in play. WDAY down over 4%, over 150,000 traded pre-market. We got quite a few here we can work with. A lot of big price stocks and a couple small ones, but we'll see what we can grab out of the open. So let's go trade. WDAY, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask if we can get hit. Alright, we are in. It's squeezing here. We're at our stop already, but this is a big mover, so I think it's going to drop right here. Market is dropping. Alright, here it comes. There's just a squeeze there. Big squeeze, but it should come down now. So target on this, I want it well below 165. I want at least a point off of this thing. Maybe more. But if it don't drop soon, we're going to have to come out of this thing. We think it drops here. Alright, here it comes. We're going to try to get a little bit more. Try to see if this thing will go below 165. Then we'll take it. I don't see why it doesn't. Alright, we're going to try to take this right here. Alright, what happened here? No, let me cancel that. I marked it out by accident and I only got 30 cents. Oh, that stinks. That stinks. I hit the button twice. One time by put the order in, and the other one was just a market, and I got out with a 30-cent gain. That stinks. That would have been a nice trade. ARWR, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask. Alright, we're in. We're in at 61.99. Daily does not look good for a short. This thing has been pretty strong. But we got a good sized gap down today. And it's been consolidating down here. So I think if it was going to climb, it would have climbed already. Market's climbing. It's not climbing. So we think this thing is going to drop below 60, at least down to 61. That's we'll take it, around 61. And stop loss will be over 60, around 63, about a point each way, give or take. It's coming down now a little bit here. Let's take a look at this thing up close. See if we can get this sucker down to 61. Alright, we got about 50 cents. All right, we're going to try to take this right here if we can. Alright, we're out. We're out with about 50 cents or so. Still dropping, but the market's climbing here. This could easily pop because the daily is not weak. The daily is not weak. It's really strong. TSLA, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask. Looks about ready to crack the lows here. Alright, we're in. We're in at 333.99. Should be a quick trade. Just wanted to crack the lows and drop down to at least 333, and that's what we'll take it. Stop loss will be about a point, close to 335. But we think it drops here. The market's climbing. This thing isn't climbing, so we think it drops a little bit more. So, all right, here we go. Come on. That's it. That's it. A little bit more. See if we can get at least a full point off of this thing. There we go. There we go. TSLA. If it don't drop soon, we're just going to come out of it. TSLA, still in this. It's at our stop here. Alright, we're going to come out of this right here. Alright, we're out. We're out with, what is that? About an 80-cent loser. I had about 80 cents to did not take it. WDAY. We're in at 163.99 short. We took it earlier, and I messed the trade all up. I had like a point, and I messed it up, and I only got like 35 cents or so. But we're in it now, and it looks ready to crack the 164 area and continue down. So target on this thing is going to be around 163 area. I'd like to get more than 163, and stop loss will be over around 165, about a point each way. This sucker moves. You got to let this one breathe. But it's tried a few times to climb here. It tried at the open, dropped, tried here, dropped, tried here again. And it's tested this area multiple times, so we think it drops this time. Market is starting to tip a little bit. If we look at the SPY here, it has been on a tear since the open. But but this one's not really listening to the market much, and the market's starting to tip a little bit, so we think maybe WDAY will drop. Let's take a look at this thing up close. WDAY, all right, it's dropping now. Nice big fat red candle. Let's see if we can get this below 163 here. You know what, let's just try to take this right here if we can. All right, we're out. Nice. Nice. Took about 80 cents, a little over 80 cents. Take that. ARWR, we're going to take this for another short right here at the ask. All right, we're in. We're in at 62.44. We took it early and we took it around here and we took about 50 cents and we missed that big fat red ride down. But then it rallied hard all the way back up to 64, over 64, and now it's dropping again. So, and it's dropping pretty dramatically. So we think it goes back down to well below 62. So target on this thing is going to be around 61.50 area, and stop loss will be over 63. ARWR. Let's take a look at this thing up close. ARWR. All right, we finally got a nice breakdown here. Let's see if we can get a little bit more. If not, we're just going to take it here. 61.97 is holding. All right, let's just take this right here if we can. Out of 100. All right, we're full out. We're out with about, what is that, close to 50 cents. ZS. I'm going to take this for a short right here at the ask. All right, we're in. We're in at 49.71. Daily looks really good for a short. It had been dropping for a long time. Started to climb there. Then it started to really climb, and then boom, it started to turn around again. So there's a lot of baggage in this stock. Intraday gaps down and starts to climb, you know, nicely for a little bit there, but now it's getting top heavy. Market's starting to drop. So we think this stock will drop down to well below 49. We'll see if we can grab it around 48.75 area. And stop loss will be over the highs, 50-50 area. Let's take a look at this thing up close. ZS, all right, it's coming down with momentum now. Nice big fat red candle. ZS, we're still in this. It's been getting bought up all the way up here. Our stop is around 50-50 area. ZS, it's finally coming down. Nice big fat red candle. ZS, right back at entry again. This thing does not want to drop below 49. Been in this for a bit now, and it's just chopping around. ZS, this thing is just starting to give me a headache here. We're going to try to come out of this right here, just for 20 cents or so. Alright, we're out. We're out for about 20 cents on that. I just didn't want to stay in that trade no more. The volume is shriveling up, and it keeps doing a dance. It comes down here and it gets bought up. It comes up here, it gets sold off. Bought up down here, sold off up here. So I took this as an opportunity to get out with a very small win. Anyways, traders, that's going to be it for us today. Don't see anything else here. Plus, the market is at a standstill. It opened and it climbed, and it's just pretty much, if we look at the SPY here, it's just pretty much very tight range up here at the top here, consolidating for a move, whether it be up or down, not sure. Since it's up today, most likely it will be up. But we are up 223. Let's take a look at the trades. 6 trades, 5 winners and 1 loser. Our biggest winner on WDAY and our loser on Tesla, TSLA. Thanks for watching.